Hello, all civil engineers. I, Abhinav, welcome you all in your own platform that is resultant. This session is specially dedicated to the civil engineers, and I will be telling you that what should be the ideal roadmap for the next 60 days. Okay, each and every doubt of yours I'll be taking at the end, but before that, let me tell you the complete roadmap. I hope my voice and everything is fine. Please put a heart sign on the comment box that everything is fine or not, guys. Come on, everyone, audio video is fine or not. If you have not subscribed to the channel, guys, till now, please subscribe, because for civil engineers, guys, and for mechanical as well, we will be coming with the marathon sessions just before gate examination. So any important update, technical content should not be missed. If you want, you can subscribe the channel, guys. Those who are new here, let me introduce myself, guys. My name is Abhinav Sir. I have 13 plus years of teaching experience, done my MTech from IIT Delhi, got all India rank 164 in 2012. You have to score a better rank than this. Okay, guys, you can join me in my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav Sir. Already, guys, more than 6,000 students have joined there in the Telegram group. Okay, all these links are in the description box. If you're preparing for GATE 2024, then we have a crash course, guys, for civil engineers. You can join that crash course. For any important update, you can connect me here. This is my number, guys, 9354916360 or abhinav@resultant.in. For GATE 2026, if you want the live classes, okay, English batches, then guys, here is the complete course. You can go on the Play Store, you can write resultant civil, and you can download the important information from there. Everything is fine, guys. Okay, now you know how to download it. Yeah, search. You are more superior in technology than me. Okay, before I go further, I'll be telling you for each and every student. For the students who are the syllabus is completed less than 40%, 40% to 70%, and greater than 70%, all three categories I'll be telling you. But before that, let me tell you a disclaimer, guys. Watching a strategy session will never give you a rank, guys. Following the important tips, instead I should not be saying that following the important tips. I should be saying that follow whatever the information you are getting in your own way. Okay, suppose I am telling you a strategy, but guys, according to your situation, according to your positives, according to your negatives, okay, pros and cons, according to your weak area and strong area, you can little bit mold the strategies. It should not be like that. If I have told you some strategy, then it should be like this, like a horse going in a straight way. Okay, and from my strategy or for anybody's strategy, even Rajnikant's strategy, you will not be getting rank. You have to execute that. After execution, you will be getting rank. Guys, there are two things for conquering the GATE exam or any competitive exam. Those two things are strategy and concepts. Let me tell you, guys, very frankly, might be you are offended from my words, might be you are leaving this session, but let me tell you, guys, with the best of the strategies in this world, who the God himself have told you in your ears, and with ordinary concepts, you will not be getting rank. With the best of the strategies and with the ordinary concept, you will not be getting rank, guys. But with the best of the concepts, or strong concepts, even with ordinary strategy, you will be getting rank. So foundation is concepts, foundation is content. Strategy can only enhance or give the best optimization of that concepts. Yes or no, guys? Please tell me on the comment section. Yes or no? Everybody, please hit the like button, yaar, guys. Come on, yaar. Hit the like button. Naya resultant ka jacket liya hai. Okay, hit the like button and share the session with everyone. Okay, this I will be telling you for each and every student. But before that, let me tell you what will be in this session. First, it will be marks versus rank. First, we should be knowing the target, na? We should be knowing the target, at what target or what rank we are getting, and at that rank, what are the options available? Not only the marks and rank, but also at that rank, what are the options? That I'll be telling you. Which subject to focus more, which subjects and topics can be skipped, what should be test series and revision plan, what is large portion of syllabus is not touched, test series analysis, each and everything I'll be telling you in this session. Before that, let me tell you that this is the marks versus rank for average of 2019 and 22, and this is 23. Okay, this you can take a screenshot later on, guys. This largely depends on the competition that year. This largely depends on the toughness of the paper. Okay. So we cannot say that this time rank 1 will be at what marks. We cannot say rank 100 will be at 78 marks or rank 100 will be at 67 marks. That depends on the toughness of paper. But yes, more or less it will be around this only. Okay. Now, this is for the last year. You can take a screenshot for later on. I'll be sharing this PDF in my Telegram group as well, Civil by Abhinav Sir. But yes, this will be a better thing. Suppose you score a rank 0 to 250. 0 to 250 means you are getting a rank marks more than 70 marks. Then PSUs for all categories is available. Old ITs, new ITs, NITs, everything is available. Suppose you are getting rank 250 to 400. Okay, suppose now you are getting a rank 250 to 400. In this rank 250 to 400, guys, if you are from general, PSUs most chances is not available for you, but for OBC and SC it is available. Okay, old ITs is available for all categories, new ITs and NITs are available for all categories. Okay, similarly guys, if we go further, suppose now your rank is 400 to 900. 400 to 900 rank can be, you can see this will be around 64 marks or 65 marks. Okay, then this rank, guys, PSUs are not for general, PSUs are not for OBC individuals, but yes, SC/ST last year one of my student who got 980 rank got selected in a PSU, okay, in a Maharatna PSU with this rank. Old ITs is available for all, new ITs and NITs is available for all. Okay, so at what marks, at what rank, suppose your rank is around 1200, then PSU is not available for anyone, but yes, ITs are available, new ITs, old ITs, NITs is available. Suppose your rank is more than 2500, then PSU is not available. Old ITs are also not available for general and OBC, AWS. But yes, for SC/ST they can get, and this you can see this complete data later on as well. This I'm just telling so that you should be knowing your target. Now, as you know, this session is dedicatedly for civil engineers, guys. Okay. Now, guys, let me tell you what is the weightage analysis. Now, aptitude will be 15 marks every year. Mathematics will be more or less 13 marks. Now, if I talk about civil engineering subjects, then geotech is highest, then environment and transportation of 11.8 marks, survey, RCC, FM, OCF, SOM, and these are the subjects. Now, let me tell you the biggest myth the students are having, that even I have done my MTech from geotech. I am a geotech teacher. But let me tell you guys that if you study survey, you will be getting 4 marks. You are preparing for 4 marks. How much marks you get, that depends on your performance on the exam. That depends on your in-depth analysis, how much in-depth of the concepts you have gone. Geotech, you are getting 15 marks. But let me tell you, for getting these 50 marks or covering the syllabus of this 15 marks, you have to devote more than 5 times of survey. 5 times of survey. That means 5 into 4 is 20 marks. That means that if you see one thing, that is weightage per unit syllabus, then it is much more better than for survey rather than geotech. Okay, because the geotech syllabus is more than 7 to 8 times of survey. Okay, so you should not be focusing, especially it is for those students who have not prepared all the subjects. So all those students who have not prepared for all the subjects, they should not be going for the higher weightage subjects, because from there they can get marks. Let me tell you one very easy thing. Then in the time you will be preparing now geotech now, okay, that time will be more. In lesser time you can prepare highway plus survey plus OCF plus hydrology. In lesser time you can prepare this, and weightage of these subjects will be more. That means with less time, rather than going for the geotech, I can prepare these 4 subjects, and these 4 subjects 4 marks of this. Transportation, highway, I can go for 7 marks, surveying 11 marks, hydrology you can see it is 3 marks, so 11 plus 3 is 14. I have taken only 7 marks of transportation. I am considering 1 marks of railway airport. Surveying 4 marks, 11, 3 marks hydrology, 14, and OCF will be around 4 to 5 marks. Where is OCF? Yes, this is. So it will be around 18 marks you will be getting. Okay, so you have to select the subjects now wisely. Now which subjects can be skipped, which subjects should be must chosen, that I'll be telling you in this session. Okay, Krupa? No, gate score is different. Gate score is out of 1,000 and gate rank is different. Your admission in the IIT now will be through gate score, Ishant. Because why gate score? Because admission in an IIT is now, when you are taking admission in IIT, suppose you are taking admission in IIT in 2025, then the students of 23, okay, students of 24, students of gate 2025, all will be eligible. Okay, because MTech score is valid for 3 years. So when you are taking, when IIT Kanpur, IIT Bombay, IC Bangalore, IIT Delhi are taking admission, then students of gate 2023, 24, 25 are eligible. Now all these 3 years are scaled into one factor by gate score. So whenever 2 or more years are eligible for a particular thing, then gate score is the thing from which the selection is done. When only 1 year is taken, then you can take rank as well. Now guys, I have divided the subjects into heavy subjects, heavy weightage, which are heavy, big in syllabus and big in weightage also. This is particularly for gate examination. Okay. Now geotech, environment and FM OCF are the subjects which are heavy weightage. Okay. Which are heavy weightage. Okay. Weightage is more and the syllabus is also more. Now the subjects where the weightage is less. Okay. Where weightage is less, but syllabus is more. SOM, RCC, steel, structural analysis. But now in this subject, SOM you cannot skip. SOM you cannot skip because might be it is very heavy subject, very vast syllabus. Marks are very less. Comparison and comparing the vastness of the syllabus of SOM, weightage of SOM is less. It is around 5 to 6 marks. Okay, but still you cannot skip SOM because SOM is the basic of understanding civil engineering. Yeah, various subjects you can only understood once you understood SOM. Like structure can only be understood once you understood SOM. Few chapters of soil and transportation, like Moore circle of soil mechanics. Okay, transportation payment chapter can only be understood once you understood SOM. Steel and RCC can only be understood when you understood SOM. So leave geotech and transportation. There are only one chapter which is related to SOM. But structural analysis, RCC, steel are completely depending on SOM. So these subjects you can only understand once you understood SOM. Okay, there are some subjects which are having less weightage, but according to their weightage, the syllabus, the marks or weightage is high, like highway, survey, OCF, hydrology. Let me tell you very frankly, I don't want to motivate you, but let me tell you very frankly that if you are at zero level now, if you have not studied highway ever, if you have not studied survey ever, if you have not studied OCF ever, if you have not studied hydro ever, even you have not opened the notes, guys, let me tell you, I have taught highway more than 80 times, survey more than 80 times, hydrology and OCF I have taught more than 25 to 35 times. Let me tell you, from zero level, in 4 days, you can complete highway with complete in-depth concepts. In 4 days, you can complete survey. In 7 to 8 days, you can complete OCF and hydrology. That means around 17 to 18 days, you can cover these 4 subjects. And these 4 subjects you can get here around, out of 8 marks of 7 marks of highway, you can get 6 marks. Here you can get 4 marks. And OCF hydrology, both are coming off 4 marks. You can get, I'm taking on a factor of safety side 6 marks. So 16 marks can be covered just in 18 to 20 days. Then there are subjects which are light subject, light marks, like building material, railway, airport, bird CPM, engineering mechanics, having very small syllabus, but weightage is also very small. These all subjects will be comprising around 5 marks. Okay. Now how much to study? For every subject, you should be solving concepts, PYQ, 300 to 500 questions for every subject, revision, 2 to 3 subjects test, short notes. This can be skipped and you can refer any other notes or printed notes. You can take the help of technology if you're preparing now. Guys, see, short notes are very important if you're preparing 8 months back, 9 months back. If you're preparing now, you can skip this short notes part because it will take large amount of time and productivity will not be that much. Now, very important. What should be ideal student marks? Out of the 15 marks of aptitude now, out of the 15 marks of aptitude, you should be scoring more than 12 marks in any case. It is quite achievable. It is quite achievable, guys. Hi, Sandbook. How are you, my old students? Okay. Hi, Chaitanya. I will tell you everything. I'll take every doubt, guys. Okay. I'm again telling you, this is only for civil engineers. If anybody is in the comments from any other branch, please don't waste your time because here I will be dealing only particularly to civil engineers. Out of 15 marks, guys, you can score 12 plus marks. Out of 13 marks of engineering mathematics, you should be scoring in any case, guys, more than 9 marks in any case. Let me tell you, Apart from a year, I guess 2023, the mathematics of civil engineering is very, very easy as compared to other branches. But you should not be happy from this, because your competition is also from civil engineers. Na? Your competition is not from electrical, where maths will be tough. Okay, you should not be, guys, whenever you get the paper, not only GATE but any other paper, you should not be very happy if the paper comes easy, because it is easy, then it is easy for everyone. Competition exam is a relative exam. Same case, you should not be feel very afraid or very demotivated if the paper is tough. If it is tough for everyone. Even let me tell you guys, if the tough paper comes now, then the real aspirants who have done the hard work will be having the edge. Might be they are scoring less, but relatively they are scoring far better than the others. Like in a flat pitch, na, everybody will be scoring half centuries and centuries, a good run. But when the pitch will be tough, swinging condition, then the real batsman will be coming ahead of others. And rest, this is mathematics. And rest, guys, 72 marks, that is technical. List largely depends. Some can get more than 60 marks, some can get more than 50 marks, some can get more than 40 marks. Let me tell you, even in the worst case, if you have just started preparation 30 days back, you should be scoring more than 35 plus. In worst case, you can go up to 60 marks also. Let me take the worst case now. What should be the sum? 12 marks here, 9 marks here, and 35 civil engineering. So then 12 plus 9, that is 21, and 21 plus 35 is 45, 55, 56 marks. Let me tell you what is the 56 marks now. What should be the rank? In 56 marks, last time it is 56 marks, you should be getting 1000 rank. So 1000 is not tough, guys. Okay, rank 1, rank 2, rank 20, rank 25 may be tough, but 1000 in 56 marks you can easily get, yeah. In 56 marks in 1000 you can easily get. And in 1000 rank, what are the options available? In 1000 rank, guys, PSU is not available. Okay, but guys, old IITs, new IITs, old IITs, everything is available for you. Correct or not? Please tell me on the comment box. Are you getting this session, guys, logically? Please put a heart sign on the comment box, guys. Everybody, yeah, come on. And let me tell you, guys, now in the resultant channel for the civil engineers, guys, will be coming with a dedicated technical series. Strategy se kuch nahi hone wala, bhai. When we will be getting the concepts, guys, then you will be getting the content. Okay, that will be helping you in the exam. This strategy session will only give you a roadmap, will give you a path. But I will be coming with more technical sessions now. Our civil team will be coming with more technical sessions so that it can actually help in the examination. Yes or no? Okay. Now, guys, this I tell you, for ideal student, you should be scoring 56 marks. But now, very important thing. Some students out of you will be in A category. Syllabus less than 40% complete. Syllabus more than 40 to 70% complete. Syllabus more than 70% complete. A, B, C. Can you please tell me on the comment box? Let us all see. Let us all see that what are our competitions lying. Tell me, type your category. Either it is A, B or C. Come on, guys. Tell me your category, guys. Come on, everyone. Tell me your category. Either you are in A category right now or B or C. Everyone. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Tell me. Okay. So A category, B category, and C category. Ashish is in the C category. Good, Ashish. Now see, guys, I'm telling you very genuine feedback, very genuine advice I'll be giving you. Suppose your syllabus is less than 40% complete. Suppose your syllabus is less than 40% complete. Please see, should you prepare for GATE 2025 or GATE 2026? When I am saying that if your syllabus is very less complete, then it is not like that from GATE 2025, if you are not an ideal candidate, then you should be waiting for next 1 year. No, guys. If you prepare now, suppose your syllabus is 20% complete, up to GATE exam, you can complete 50% syllabus. Out of that 50% syllabus, you can easily qualify. You can easily qualify, guys. And let me tell you, for all the students, either you are in A category, either you are in B category, either you are in C category. Let me tell you one thing. Suppose by any means A category student is not getting a good rank in GATE. a B category student is not getting a good rank in GATE, or a C category student is not get the ideal result in GATE, then it doesn't mean that you have to wait for next 1 year. It is not like the 12th, after 12th you have given the engineering entrance exam na. After 12th class you have given the engineering entrance exam na. In that engineering entrance exam, guys, what happens? Suppose 1 year you are not selected, then you have to wait for complete 1 year na, because next cycle of admission will be after 1 year. Same is not the case here. Suppose by any means you are not getting the good rank in GATE 2025, then there are multiple exams like BARC will be in March, state PSCs will be in April, May. There will be HPCL, which is taking their own exam, BHL in the month of September, October. Okay, ISRO might be taking its own exam. Okay, so there are multiple things which are occurring throughout the year. So what happened now, when I was in 4th year now, what I think that, yeah, my GATE suppose is not going to be good, then why to prepare? Yeah, I will prepare for March, April, because next exam will be after 12 months. I was very wrong. This is not like engineering entrance exam after 12th. This is after BTech na, after every second month you will be having a very good reported exam, BARC, HPCL, BHL, ISRO. So you should be preparing now. So at least if you are less than 40% right now, might be in GATE you will be just qualified, or if you perform better you might be getting a new IIT as well. Okay, you can be getting a new IIT. Let me tell you guys, this is easily achievable for all the students who are less than 40%. New IIT is easily achievable. And I am considering new IIT better than an IIT. Okay, or you can get interdisciplinary branches in old IITs also. Okay, so you should be preparing, because there are multiple exams in March, April, May. So at least if you are 50% complete in the February month, that means easily you can crack the exams which will be happening in the month of April, May or June. Now let me come to the B category students. 40% to 70%, which I see on the comment box, are the maximum. Can you please do one thing for me? Can you please do, okay, lifestyle. Can you please do one thing for me? Can you please all write down your cities, from which city you belong? I just want to see where the resultant audience belongs to. I guess most of you are from South India, correct? Now, if you are from 40% to 70%, then guys, let me tell you, you are having the potential to get the top ranks also. Top ranks means you are having a potential for getting 100 rank, 200 rank, 300 rank. But there are certain conditions that instead, suppose you are 50% syllabus complete, 60%, 70%, instead of going for 100% syllabus with no revision, with no test series, without consolidating the things that you have already studied. Let me tell you, one student, let me tell you the two cases. One student from here, suppose he has covered 60% syllabus, he will be going for 100% syllabus. Okay, then what will happen? Because he is going for complete syllabus, that means he will not be consolidating the things that he have already studied in the month of May, June, July. That means he will not be giving the proper time for revision. That means he will not be giving the proper time for full length test series. That means he will not be giving the proper time for analyzing the mistakes in the test series. That means he has covered the 100% syllabus. From inside he is very heavy, very happy, but he has not optimized his marks. He has not optimized his marks. Okay, he has studied a lot of things but not revised it, not have given the proper test. So out of scoring, going for 100, might be he's scoring only 60 marks. But one student from here, guys, see very, very carefully, who has covered only 60%. Now for the remaining 40%, he will be selecting his topics very wisely. Suppose 60% is completed. Now for the remaining 40%, he has selected the topics very wisely. I will tell you those topics also. And he will be reading only 25% topic and skipping 15% topics. That means 60 plus 25, he will be preparing only for 85% marks. As he is prepared for only remaining 25% marks, 25% of the syllabus, that means he will be having a time of 1 month for revision and test series. Then out of this 85 marks, guys, he can be scoring more than 72 plus marks. That means he will be in the race of PSUs and the old IITs. Okay, so you should be now thinking, should you go for the 100% or 85%? And for all those, for 70% guys, more than 70%, let me tell you, suppose you have scored 80%, then for the remaining 20% na, those topics you can skip. Which I'm not asking for skipping the subjects, but I'm asking for skipping the topics. For the remaining 20%, suppose you have covered 80% syllabus, for the remaining 20% skip some topics. Okay, go for only 95% of the syllabus. Because you have covered more syllabus, that means these students can give 1 month time for revision, because they have not prepared for 100%. They have almost prepared 100%. So they should not be giving 1 month time for revision. As they have much to revise, then as compared to B category students, they should be getting more than 45 days for revision. So in the next 15 days, complete the other topics and go for the revision test series, because you have large thing you have completed. So large time it is required for completing the syllabus, guys. Yes or no, everyone? Everyone, guys. Now, number of tests to attempt. Let me tell you guys, there are 2 types of tests, or there are 3 types of tests. Okay, there are 3 types of tests. What are the 3 types of tests? What are the 3 types of tests? Okay, let me tell you guys. The 3 types of tests that you will be having. One will be full length test. One will be subject wise test. One will be part test. That means 2 or 3 subjects in a single test. Let me tell you guys, each and every test will give you a idea about the type of question. But giving the test is done for 2 things. For getting the idea of the question plus getting the time management. Time management you can only get in full length test. Not in subject test, not in part wise test. Because in that subject you might be very strong, you can do it very quickly. Might be in that subject you are very weak, you will take a lot of time. Similarly in part subjects. So I recommend, guys, subject test should be done for those students who are preparing from 9 months or 10 months. Okay, in the month of March you can give the subject test whatever you have studied in March. In the month of April you can do a subject test whatever you have studied there. In the month of July you can do a subject test. But now it is time for full length test, because full length test is the only test that will give you time management, and that will give you the idea about your subject knowledge. Now you will say, sir, I have only prepared 70%, so I will be only preparing for giving the 70% of the exam, so I will take less time. But that is the actual scenario also, na? In exam also you will be only preparing for 70%, na? The students who are here in B category, or the students who are in C category, complete whatever 95% syllabus and start giving the full length test. Okay. So I recommend for the B category students, for the next 30 days, guys, cover your syllabus so that it is around 85%, and the next 30 days should be revision. For these students, guys, who have more than 70%, next 15 days you should be giving for covering the other syllabus, and next 45 days should be revision. Okay, here this 30 days should be revision. Okay, and let me tell you the mistakes you will be getting, guys. Okay, the mistakes in the test you will be getting. One will be conceptual mistake. Okay, one will be calculation mistake. One will be, guys, you will be having a silly mistake. One will be formula, you have forget formula, wrong formula you have applied. Let me tell you, be very, very happy if it is a calculation mistake, if it is a silly mistake, if it is a formula mistake, because these mistakes can be rectified. Or I should not be saying rectified or eliminated, better I should be saying these mistakes can be reduced with more practice of tests. I cannot, even the rank one cannot eliminate it. There will be some calculation mistakes, some silly mistakes, some formula mistake in the exam also. Even the rank one student will get some of these. Okay, so better thing will be if you give more number of tests, it can be reduced with more number of tests. Be happy, because these are the things which can be, which is actually improving by giving the test. But if there is a conceptual mistake or the concept you are not knowing, that cannot be rectified very soon. It takes lot of time. Okay, if you are weak in a concept in 2 or 3 subjects, you cannot rectify it very soon, guys. It requires a time, and time is not there now. Okay, guys, now one more thing. Sir, what about revision and test series? How I should be revision, and what is the difference between revision and test series? Guys, see, you can say in a very nice way, let me tell you, in test series, when you are doing the test series, revision is also done. Okay, revision is a larger thing. One part of revision is test series, but there are certain subjects where formula has to be revised. Okay, where some data has to be revised, especially in environment and RCC code. So what I recommend you now, that after test series don't go for revision. You can start revision, okay, and simultaneously you can do test series also. Simultaneously start test series, revising every subject. Suppose after 20 days na 60 days I am saying, suppose after 20 days you start revision, 20 days you prepare the content, whatever you are completing the syllabus, and next 40 days you are doing test series. So I say here, divide your day in 70% to 30%. Every day divide in 70-30 ratio. 70% time go for the revision and 30% time go for the test series. And as going day by day more near to February, you can reduce this time and give more time for test series. Instead of one, you can give 2 tests also in one day. How to remember the formula, guys? There is no tonic I can give you. There is no syrup I can give you. There is no capsule I can give you. You have to learn the formulas daily. Especially you can do it in the morning. You can write down the formulas of every subject in a single copy and revise them daily. That is the only thing. There is no shortcut. There is no tonic. There is no capsule that I can give you for getting the formulas. Okay. Okay guys, so everything I tell you. Now what are the topics that can be skipped? What are the topics that can be skipped, or the subjects? Guys, if you are in B category or C category na, okay, if you're in B category or C category, especially B category students, you can building material, structural analysis, steel, these are the topics you can skip. Even let me tell you railway, airport also. And let me tell you the weightage of these subjects. Building material on an average coming of 1 mark, structural analysis of 3 marks, steel of 3 to 4 marks, railway, airport will be coming of 1 marks. So that means if you're skipping these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subjects, actually you're skipping only 9 marks. And C category students can skip certain topics. Okay. Now any questions you have, you can download us. You can follow our resultant page, Instagram page, resultant.in. You can follow us on the Facebook as well. Okay. For any connect, guys, you can connect me here in this number 93549163660, or you can write an email ID. We have a crash course also, guys. We have a crash course for GATE 2025 students. Okay, crash course is going on live. You can join that. And for other GATE students, if you want complete course, guys, you will be having everything live plus recorded classes. For every subject you will be getting study notes. For every subject you will be getting PYQs. For every subject you will be getting complete question bank, which includes MSQ also, NAT also. Okay, there will be test series, subject wise, full length test both. Yeah, that is good na. Yes guys, if you have yes, after these 3 subjects na, still your syllabus is not completed na, where I have written the 3 subjects: building material, structure, steel, railway, airport, these 4 or 5 subjects. After this, still you are thinking that you will be having less time, then FM also you can leave. Not OCF, because OCF is chota packet bada dhamaka. Okay, with less, so 4 or 5 days you can complete the complete OCF, but not the case with FM. Okay, so if after this also you are not having time, the next subject you can skip is FM. Any more doubt, guys? If you have any more doubt, you can connect me here, guys. This is my number. You can put your number here, guys. Okay. You can join our crash course for GATE 2025. This is my number. For any other doubt, you can put me a call or a WhatsApp in this number 935491630 or abhinav@resultant.in. Maths and aptitude in any case has not to be skipped. If you see, someone is saying he has only completed GE and mathematics. Now what subjects he should be preparing? From technical, survey, highway, OCF, hydrology, these are the subjects you should be preparing. It will be January live. Okay, soon we'll be coming with the technical subjects as well. Okay. Krishna, in structural analysis you can study determinacy and determinacy, and in steel you can go for the plastic analysis. Any other doubt, guys? If you're having, please let me know. Please let me know, guys. Come on. I'll be more than happy to take care of your doubts. Okay, guys, for other doubts, you can connect me here, okay? In these numbers. Thank you. Thank you all. Wish you all the best. Soon we are coming with the technical series and the marathons as well, guys. Okay, thank you. Thank you all. Take care. Okay, Chaitanya, I'll be taking one session of not environment but for all subjects. Thank you.